Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Global Women Achievers Festival 2021. I am Nancy Narang. Ever since I saw the movie Charlie and the Chocolate Factory back in the day, I had only one dream: to be living in such a place. Now, today I have with me someone who's living that dream. I welcome on the show Jeenal Tank, founder Zest Chocolates and Utsava. Welcome to the show, Jeenal.
Thank you so much for having me here. I'm super happy.
And we are even more happy than super happy to have you, because it is, every, I wouldn't say girl, man and woman's innate desire to be in a land that's surrounded with chocolate, calories notwithstanding. And you are doing that. So how awesome is that? Tell me, is it as fancy as it sounds to everybody who's listening to you?
Yes, it does. So I've been surrounded with chocolate since almost 7.5 years now. And I still crave for it. It's never enough.
So was it your childhood love for chocolates that became a profession, or what landed you here?
Yeah, you can say that. Not only my, in fact, it was of my whole family. We all are fond of chocolates, and it was like, before we used to give chocolates of other brands to all our friends and family. We used to give a lot of chocolates, and then we didn't know that one day we'll start our own company.
So I'm sure your mummy would not be saying to you, "Aur chocolate nahi khani."
No, she doesn't.
Now she can't. So then what kick-started this entire venture? You're a very young girl. Now, someone who's running this for the last 7.5 years, you say. So that means you started very young. So how did that happen?
Yeah, so I was 18. So basically, I started this with my brother and sister. So they are elder to me, and I was just 18 when we started with this, and they got graduated and they didn't want to do job, neither me. Since childhood, I always wanted to do a lot of business. So once they graduated, we just stepped into this. One of my uncles suggested us that maybe you start with the chocolate business. So it all came, very spontaneously. We actually didn't know how to make chocolates, but then my sister learned everything. It was like we started the business and then we learned how to make chocolates.
Spoken like a true Gujarati, Jeenal. You only understand Krishna.
Indeed. That's it.
Okay. So, since you didn't have any prior knowledge as to how to do it, and whatever said and done, love for chocolates aside, it is a business and needs to be run like one. So then what different did you do when you started this venture? Because there are a lot of chocolatiers, there are a lot of companies, established ones, and it's a very competitive market. And we all have a loyalty towards the chocolates we like, so it's very difficult to actually get someone to try something new. So what challenges did you face?
So in starting, there was like, the main thing was we wanted to spread a lot of happiness everywhere. So what we did is we played with our packaging, which actually all our customers really like. Most of our packaging is reusable, so people can keep it. For example, there was a photo frame. We have a photo frame box. So we framed the picture of whatever the clients gave us with chocolates. So after consuming chocolates, people use the photo frame. So most of our concepts were reusable. So this was the thing which was like outstanding from the market.
So, and also I think it's brilliant brand recall, because as long as you're using it, the name will always sort of register in your head. You'd always remember Zest Chocolates, because you're associated with that. So I think that's very intelligent. So then how did your journey pan out? You're a very young girl. I'm sure you didn't have had your formal college or stuff like that. So did you feel you've missed out on that and jumped too soon into the hardcore business line?
No, not really, because I never really enjoyed college life. I was always eager to jump into businesses. And when we started, it was like, starter's luck. Chalo, starting mein, I got a lot of orders, good response. But then in past 7.5 years, we also went through a lot of losses. There were times when we invested at the wrong places. But then again, we came back with new strategies, new things. So yeah, a lot of things we learned.
Wow, that's very good actually. That's a never say die spirit. So your new venture, Utsava, what is that about?
So This venture is mainly about spiritual thing. All our products are healing products, healing crystal products, which I generally export. In India, there is still not a lot of people are aware about the spiritual thing, meditation, yoga, and everything. So there are most of the people uses it out of India. So right now I'm spreading the awareness in India as well as everywhere, because COVID actually, is teaching us a lot of lessons about ourselves, about
mental well-being, spiritual health, like how to maintain that yin and the yang balance.
Yeah, exactly. So I think a lot of people needs this kind of products which can help them in their personal and professional life as well.
I think you've discovered the mantra to a happy existence, Jinal. There's chocolates on one hand and there is spiritual healing on the other. I don't think we need anything more than that.
Because I was very young since the time I started doing meditation and everything. I was just 11. So it is like inside, it is rooted inside, and I want to spread it everywhere. Everyone should have a happy life.
Awesome. That is so wonderful. Jinal, you're wise beyond your years. I mean, I see people in their 20s still trying to figure out what is it that they want to do with their life and where they need to go. And you're already at the top of your game, having everything sorted. And I love how you bring that smile to your work and how you believe in spreading smiles through every venture of yours. So, Jinal, what message do you want to give to young girls your age, who are aspiring to be entrepreneurs or who have a love for chocolates? What would you like to say?
Yeah, I think for a girl, at first step, they actually fear about, whether I should start with something new or no. Because same happened with my sister as well. Even she, being a girl, I will say, even she got feared that what will happen if we start with this? What if we face huge losses? But then I told her, no, first we have to step, then we see how it is going to be. And as things unfold, we will learn and we will grow. So I'll tell all the girls that at first maybe you will fear about some or the other things, but don't stop. Just keep going on. Whatever you feel, just do it.
Now, Zest has made a huge name in the corporate gifting market, Jinal, and that's a very competitive market again. How do you ensure that you're bringing out something new and different? Because people don't like to see the same stuff over and over again. Once you've given it, you don't want to give the same thing. So how are you ensuring novelty and innovation in something as straight as chocolate?
Yeah, very true. So these days people are, I think all of them are very quick. They have a lot of options. And they just every time they want something new. They don't settle for anything which is simple. So my product catalog, you will see, it keeps on changing almost every day. We have to innovate products continuously, whether be it, customization on the boxes, maybe printing on the boxes, or the flavors of the chocolates. We always have to innovate it. So my team is always doing that.
That research and innovation is always on.
Yeah, it's like a part of business, a very strong part of the business, innovation.
Absolutely. The innovation and marketing are the two core areas of any business. On that note, Jinal, I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart. And shortly after the interview, you will get my postal address and I will wait eagerly for my box of chocolates.
Yes, please. I'm very, very, very happy to send you chocolates.
Yes, can't wait to get my hands on those beauties. They look delightful. Wish you all the best, Jinal, and lots of love and luck from our team. Good luck and God bless.
Thank you. Thank you so much.